Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel. Yo ho ho, let my river flow. Let it flow with pride. Let it flow with shame. So many things can take away my pain, but only one can shape me now forever. So just let my river flow. So just let my river flow. Just let it flow till you see him, till this room stops spinning. All the guilt of shame, all the greatness died. Everything's got me losing my mind. So let my river flow. Let all this pain just go away. Let my river flow. I don't need no more suffering, for my mind's out of control and I cannot see. And my river flows beyond the open sea to the northern reaches of the galaxy, from the Milky Way to the Arctic Sea. And my mind so fly. Oh, let the river flow on my mind, so fly. Let this guilt be washed away. Oh my, yo, just let my river flow. Let it flow, so I can be reminded of my old times. Let my river flow. Let it take away my faith. Let my river flow. Let it take away my pain. Let my river flow. Don't heat away my guilty conscience. Let the river flow. Don't lie away my shame and heartache. Let the river flow. Don't tear away my pain inside. Let the river flow. So I can be one with myself. Let the river flow. So I can be a normal guy. Let the river flow. Don't ever lose your mind inside. Just let the river flow. Don't worry about your pain inside. Let the river flow. In this big ass fucking blue world, let the river flow. Don't ever mistake all your pride. Let the river flow. Don't ever be you're losing your mind. Let the river flow. Don't ever take your hand away from your heart. Let it flow. Just let the river flow. Let the river flow. Don't ever take away your heart. Let the river flow. Don't ever lose your damn old mind. Let the river flow. Just let it flow. Let the river flow. Don't ever lose your goddamn mind. Let the river flow. All this pain inside's gonna end up where the river flow. Just let me lose my fucking mind. The river flow. Don't ever tell me to batten up. Let the river flow. I'm losing my damn mind inside. Let the river flow. Please just save me from myself. Let the river flow. I don't wanna lose my damn mind. So yeah, I say, let that river flow inside your heart. Just yeah, I say, let that river flow inside your heart. Oh yes, I say, let the river flow. Oh, let the river flow. Just let it flow inside your heart. Let the river flow. Just let your river flow. So click on it here. Peace and love. I want y'all to make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And when you subscribe, hit that little bell icon to be notified of all my videos. I say peace and love to you. See you next time on this video.